I'm excited. I just arrived here at the Inn at Biltmore Estate. We're going to go into my room at room 459. I'm super excited to show you this Concierge Tier King Room. Let's go in and see what it's all about. I'm in room 459. And first off the bat, let me show you what they had waiting for me. We have this beautiful assortment of hors d'oeuvres, some snacks. It says if I need more, they'll replenish them. If not, they will just bring more between 9 and 2 tomorrow. Got some chips, soda, sparkling water. They do give a bottle of complimentary wine. Then they give you some additional if you'd like more, but these are not complimentary. Those you pay for, as well as with the glasses. All right, shall we go ahead just into the bathroom right away before I show you the main part of it all? So here they have a shower. What I like is they have a shower and a tub. Here we have Biltmore body wash. Okay, I gotta see. What does it smell like? Let's see. Yeah, it does smell like a spa. It's kind of like a eucalyptus tea tree type of thing. All right. I'll use that later. All right, here's a separate toilet. I'm here by myself, but that is nice for extra privacy. If you're not, there's the hairdryer here. And you know you're in a fancy hotel when they give you your extra toilet paper wrapped in a cute little bag. Very cute. Okay, cute and classy. Now we go over here. Here's the tub. It does look like it is a jacuzzi tub, which I really like. We have a sink those are real flowers. I did try those out earlier. I will definitely be enjoying that tub later. Here we have some very nice artwork. Kind of stuff I like here. They do have robes for your use, along with some slippers. And now heading into the main part of the hotel room. Where is your closet? A nightstand, beautiful wood nightstand. Very sturdy Biltmore sign. There's some storage space under there. Little pen, nice pen and writing set. They do have some outlet plugs here for your use. I like that. But let me just step back. Let me show you this absolutely gorgeous room. A beautiful writing desk, chairs on both sides, more storage space. I'm gonna put my key down here. Over here, I guess it's just storage space on one side. Here we have one window. It is very rainy today. Oops. Here I can see the valet service. Here we have another beautiful chest of drawers. Lots of storage space. We have some coffee here. Very teeny tiny pods. Some creamer. Some teas I see here. And if you're not sure what things are, they have a card that explains. And they do not give you plastic stuff here. This is the real deal. Fancy. All right, and here we have a sitting area. Very nice, so you can put up your feet in comfort and style. And here we have the beautiful bed. Looks super cozy. And this is a little something that I had ordered for myself, and I will show you the surprise after we're done with the room tour. I'm very excited to open that. Here again, we have more outlets, which I'm very glad to see. Sometimes hotels only favor one side of the bed with outlets, but this also has more storage space. Love it. And let's take a peek out the window here. I might get a sunrise view from this area. Mostly just trees, which is good with me. All right, so here we have it. This is your view of my gorgeous room. Oh, and I can't forget, let's open the little surprise that I ordered for myself because this is my birthday and I am here celebrating, and you get to celebrate with me. This is a little gift to myself. I don't know, I'm holding, oh, here we go. And this is a beautiful plush robe with my name on it that I get to take home with me. I cannot wait to put this on and cuddle up in this beautiful bed on this rainy day and just enjoy my room and the wine and the snacks. Thank you so much for joining in today. I really appreciate you. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the comments below. If you're interested in seeing a full tour and review of the Inn on Biltmore Estate, I'm working on editing that video right now, as well as some other Biltmore related videos. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you know when those are posted. In the meantime, I do have other Biltmore videos that you'll love, such as the 10 tips for visiting Biltmore Estate and how to plan the perfect trip to Biltmore. There's a room tour of a king room at the Village Inn Hotel if you'd like to see the comparison, or if you're watching this at a later date when those videos are done, you can go ahead and take a peek at my full Biltmore Estate playlist to find what you're looking for. I'll leave links for you in the description below. If you appreciate the info I shared with you today, please hit the like button and leave a comment so I know. Oh, that's right. I also have some great news to share with you. I have a brand new blog called NorthCarolinaTraveler.com where you can get information and resources to help you plan the perfect trip to North Carolina. So go ahead and please stop by and browse around. Thank you so much for joining in today. Happy travels. I appreciate you.